personalized medicine in the news or read about it online. But what is it really? Here are the basics. Personalized medicine is medical treatment given to patients according to differences in an individual's genetic information. We call these differences single nucleotide polymorphisms, or just SNPs for short. A SNP is a one-letter A, T, C, or G difference in an individual's genome. SNPs might make us more likely to respond to a drug, or less likely to develop a certain illness. We're all unique, with different skin colors, likes, and talents, and the way we react to drugs and treatment is just as varied.
In order to use personalized medicine, there are some tools that doctors and scientists use. One of these is gel electrophoresis. This is a technique in which DNA is cut at specific points by restriction enzymes. The DNA is loaded onto the negative side of a gel, and an electric current is run through the entire thing. The DNA fragments are then sorted by size, with the smallest pieces traveling the furthest. This is a way to identify and separate the genes we want to study for personalized medicine. Once we have isolated our DNA using gel electrophoresis, we use a PCR, or polymerase chain reaction. In this, scientists superheat DNA in order to make more copies. Basically, it's artificial replication, done very quickly and simply using Taq polymerase, nucleotides, and primer. This allows scientists to make more copies of the specific gene they want to study so that they can do multiple experiments on the gene.
This sounds great!
Whoa, stop right there. There's a couple things we need to talk about first.
What are the side effects of using personalized medicine?
Well, the whole part of personalized medicine is to reduce side effects. While one drug might give a person horrible nausea, it might not even bother another. Today, doctors use a trial and error method to figure out what treatment will work best. Scientists theorize that we can predict and prevent these reactions based on our SNPs profile. How long will it take to research all these SNPs and drugs?
It will take decades to identify all the SNPs, how they affect us, and how drugs affect them. It takes even longer to fully develop the drugs, with years of research, clinical trials, and approval processes from the FDA. Will every single person in the world receive different medication?
No, people will be treated according to their SNPs profile, with other people in the population share. For example, there are 3 variations in the strains of DNA, and 55% have variation 1, 25% have variation 2, and 20% have variation 3. Can personalized medicine be used for common illness like cold and flu?
It is believed that using personalized medicine, we can find cures to depression, high blood pressure, and asthma, but that a cure for the common cold will never be discovered. Can insurance companies reject me because of my SNPs profile?
No. In 2008, Congress passed a law called the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act, which means neither employers nor insurance companies can look at your genetic information. You can safely assess your profile, and only a doctor and you will know what's in it. This sounds expensive. How will ordinary people benefit from this?
Right now, personalized medicine is expensive. Researching the SNPs and drugs, testing genetic profiles, and administering drug treatments are expensive, and because of that, so is the treatment. However, doctors still have high hopes for personalized medicine. They believe that as time goes on, new knowledge about biology, faster and smarter computers, and greater demand will lower the cost of producing this medicine.
In our opinion, personalized medicine is a great tool that reduces side effects and maximizes effectiveness. It has the potential to cure many diseases once thought impossible to treat, but it's not very useful if the average person cannot afford it.
We believe that Astellas should focus on bringing down the costs of personalized medicine by speeding drug development and creating easy-to-use, fast technologies for SNP testing and categorizing. This allows the average person to afford and benefit from this great medicine.